F11. 1 second. Okay. Now we have to start today with applications of simple equations. We have already seen how we have converted the English language statement in mathematical statement. Similarly, in our life, we have many such instances where we have some issues. What we do is we try to convert that particular issue in real life in terms of equation, because that can help us in many ways. Okay, suppose you have a cake you want to distribute in the class. Suppose you have toffees you want to distribute in the class. You can make a mathematical statement, you can make an equation of it, and that will help you out to how to distribute it equally. Okay. Vivan saying, sir, can you discuss page 17, second last question of magical maths? Right now I won't be able to do that, Vivan. Soon I will try to do something for that. Okay. Now let's start this topic, application of simple equations. So first let's see the example, because I want you all to start the exercise on your own. I will solve in the example only. Example number 8. 1 second. My father. Done. Okay, now see. Example number 8 is saying the sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. All of you tell me the equation. Fast, tell me the equation. Sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. Find the number. What is the equation? All of you. Very good, Naina, Kavish, Ekta, good. Ekta, good, beta. Tushita, good. So it is very easy. 3 times a number. First of all, we will assume solution. Let the number be any variable. I take x. Let the number be x. So 3 times means 3 into x. And then we are adding 11 in it. It is equal to how much? 32. Further solving it, 3 into x is 3x plus 11 is equal to 32. This is the required equation. Now question wants us to find the number also. So this time we have to solve further. We all know this is very easy to find. We just have to do simple method. We will subtract 11 from both sides. I am going with the inverse method now. Subtract 11 from both sides. You can try any method. Okay. So 3x plus 11 minus 11 is equal to 32 minus 11. You can transpose also. It depends on you which way you want. So these two will cancel, become 0. So 3x is equal to 32 minus 11 is 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Finally, we have to take this 3. We have to remove this 3. What will we do? To remove this 3, we will divide both sides. Divide both sides by 3. This becomes 3x equal to 21 upon 3 upon 3. So 3 and 3 will cancel, and we will get x equal to 3 ones are 3 sevens are. X equal to 7 is the right answer. X equal to 7 is the right answer. If you want to verify, you can take left hand side. If you want to verify, you can take left hand side and put the value. You will get 32 as answer. Okay. I hope it is clear to everyone, because we have done questions that are tougher than this. Let's take example number 9 now. 9 is also easy. Let us take example number 10. All of you, let's take example number 10. Okay. Example 10. Raju's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So first statement is Raju's father age is 5 more than 3 times Raju's age. So this time, what is the base? Whose age we will assume, all of you? Whose age we will assume? Please answer. Yes, because we are defining Raju's father age in terms of Raju's age. So we can say in solution, let age of Raju be X years. It is not compulsory that you assume Raju age only. You can assume father age also, but that will be a little bit difficult for you. So better you take Raju's age as X years. Therefore, father's age will be how much? Father's age will be 3 times Raju, that is 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. After this, question is saying find Raju's age if his father is 44 years old. If father is 44 years old. So we all know that father age is given in numbers also as 44 years. What we can do is we can understand this is also father's age, this is also father's age. So these two things are equal. These two are equal. But a page number is 90. Page number is 90. These two are equal. We can say the equation is 3x plus 5 is equal to 44. So this we have to write again. Yes, beta, this is your classwork only. Now, all of you, it's very simple now. Just we have to isolate this x. Now I am doing with transpose method. First step is I will take away. Please tell me, shall I take 3 first or 5 first? Shall I take 3 first or 5 first? Very good. Because 5 is easy to go that side. It is only adding here. So transposing 5 to right hand side. On left side it was adding, on right side it will subtract. So it will be 3x equal to 44 minus 5 is how much? All of you, 44 minus 5 is 39. Very good. Now finally we have to transpose this 3. So we will write transpose 3. Let me check, is anyone in the waiting room? Yes, 8 people are there in the waiting room. See, we waited for 4 minutes and they were not there. You are doing mistakes on your own side. Now, transpose 3 to RHS. What will you get? We will get x is equal to 39 upon 3. And we can solve this. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. X is equal to 13 years. Okay. Now, let's take 4.4 exercise now. Let's start. Exercise 4.4. All of you, those who joined late, can check what we have done till now in the video recording that I will put on YouTube channel. Okay. Tushita beta, I got it. It's okay. Now, let's take question number 1. And please try to join 2 minutes before your time. You are coming after 4 minutes. I waited for 3 minutes to join everyone. Now, suppose I take, first part is easy. Suppose I take C part. Suppose I take C part. Question 1, C part. All other part you can try on your own because it is a homework also. Okay, Rishi. Okay, beta. Sir, I have already practiced 4.4. Very good, Ashmit. All of you have the same, what you say, motivation level and try to solve questions on your own because at the back side you have answers. You can check from there also. Now, C part is saying if I take 3/4 of a number, if I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it and add 3 to it, I get 21. All of you give the equation. Give me the equation. Very good. Okay. Some are saying 3 by 4m plus 21. Some are saying 1 by 4. Okay. There are two possibilities coming. Let us see. It is saying if I take 3/4 of a number, suppose a number was there, suppose x was there. If you take its 3/4, that means it is 3 by 4x. If you take 3/4 of this number, it is 3 by 4x. So, and you are adding 3 to it. If they were saying if I take 3/4 and add 3 in the remaining, all of you, if you take 3/4, what is remaining? All of you, if you take 3/4, what is remaining? 1 second. I'm just giving you two options. This is remaining because 3/4 you have taken, 1/4 is remaining. But question is saying you are adding 3 to it. That means you are adding 3 to the number you have taken. So this is the correct one, not this one. Okay. I'm again repeating. 1 second. 1 second. Question is saying if I take 3/4 of a number, first of all take the number as, let the number be x. Therefore 3/4 of x will be 3 by 4 into x. That is, now we are adding 3 to it. Therefore the equation will be 3 by 4 x plus 3 is equal to 21. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, it is correct, Rishi. If you have taken m, then also it is correct. Now we have to solve this. Again, we can do use by the transpose method. First, we will take away this 3. First, we will take away this 3 to right hand side. So transpose 3 to RHS, it becomes 3 by 4x is equal to 21 minus 3. So we will get 3 by 4x is equal to how much? 18. Now, yes, Rishi, you are correct. Now, we will take the whole fraction there. If you observe, this whole fraction is multiplying with x. If you observe, this whole fraction 3/4 is multiplying with x. If you transpose it to right side, it will divide. So, transpose 3/4 to right hand side, it will become x is equal to 18 divided by 3/4. After many questions you have done, you can directly write the answer also, no issue. X is equal to, it can be taken as 18/1 as it is, division becomes multiplication, and this can be written as 4/3. Okay, so you can solve it. 3 6 are 18, x is equal to 6 4 are 24. So 24 is the number. Sanvi saying no steps. Beta, which step you want, Sanvi? You can write the steps from your side, beta. I have explained you everything properly. Okay. This time we are more focused on understanding, not on the steps. While writing these questions in your classwork copy, you can write the steps from your side. Okay. No issue. Now, let us take one more part. Let me take, sir, how 18 has come? Yash Robinson. Beta, 18 has come because this 3, when it went to that side, it came as negative. 21 minus 3. 21 minus 3 means 21 gone, 20 gone, 19 gone. What is left? 18 is left. I hope now you got this. Yes. 21 minus 3 is 18. No issue beta Lavya. Okay, you can transpose if you want first 4 then 3, that is also okay. I have transposed the whole fraction. If you want, you can transpose 4 first and 3 second. They are the same thing. Sir, we have to write steps in exam if only said or compulsory, but it is compulsory. It is a responsibility from your side that you have to write all the things that you are doing. Okay, don't ever wait for the examiner to ask all these things. It is your responsibility. I have multiplied 4 into 18 and 72 divided by 3. Correct. Lavya, it is correct. No issue. Now Ryan is saying it is easy. Earlier he was saying it is very confusing. Very good, Ryan. Good going. Keep practicing. It is very easy. Don't worry. Now I'm taking G part. Sir, can you use any method to this question? Yes, beta, you can use any method. No issue. Now take G part. It is easy for starting only. Yes, beta. Anwar thinks of a number. So there is a boy, Anwar, who thinks of a number in his mind. So let the number which Anwar thinks, let the number thought by Anwar be X. Okay, so if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of that number, the result is 23. We have to understand, if he takes away 7, what means he is subtracting 7 from what? He is subtracting 7 from what? From 5 by 2 of that number. So we will write 5 by 2 of that number will be given by 5 by 2 x. So ATQ means according to the question, we can say this is a short form ATQ. I will be using it more often. So we can say if he takes 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, so 5 by 2 of x minus 7 is equal to 23. Tushita beta, you are correct. Don't worry. Okay, don't send the same message again and again. I got it. Okay, Ashmit. Okay, Ashmit. This x is coming in numerator. Okay, so you can write. Now solving is very easy. To solve it, again we have to think out of this 5 by 2 and 7, who will go first to the right hand side? Obviously 7 will go. So we will take it, transpose 7 to right hand side. You have to see here it is minus 7. On the right side it will become plus 7, because whenever you cross the border you have some changes in your body. You cannot change border without any change, because border changing is always risky. Now you have got, sir, ATQ we can write in exam also. Yes beta, don't ask these child-like questions. ATQ is nothing. According to question, you can write it anywhere, any place, anytime. Okay, now let's see. We have got 5 by 2 x is equal to 23 plus 7 is 30. Now the next step, I prefer to take the whole fraction at once. I prefer to take the whole fraction at once, but you can take them separately also. So now I will transpose 5 upon 2 to right hand side. It becomes x is equal to 30 divided by 5 upon 2. So now it's very easy. It becomes 30 upon 1 multiplied with 2 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 6 into 2 is 12, 1 into 1 is 1. So answer is 12 upon 1 or just 12. Very good, Ekta, you are correct. Now I hope you all can understand and solve this question on your own. So I have given you homework question 1 only, but you are free to try others also. Okay. Now let's see question number 2. Very good. Sir, I got the answer as 3. Lavya saying. Lavya, that means you have done a mistake. You can check again. If you, okay, let me do by your method. Let us see how Lavya is doing. Lavya is taking 5 separately and 2 separately. Okay, let us do by that method also. I prefer taking ones, but Lavya doing like this. So let's see. Here 2 is dividing. So when it goes there, it becomes 30 into 2. Then it becomes 5x equal to 60. Then this 5 is multiplying here. It becomes 60 upon 5. Again, it is 12 only. Lavya, but you can check some mistake you have done. Answer is 12 only by any method. Okay, please check again. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is also similar. Solve the following. So he transposed 5. Okay, that would be a mistake then. Yes. So we have the teacher tells class, sir, it is very easy. Okay, Ashmit. Now, sir, I want to ask the answer of question 1E part. Please, sir. Mokshita. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks. Beta, this is a homework. You try it again, Mokshita, and then I will discuss tomorrow if it is a doubt. Okay? I cannot discuss more than 2 parts. It is your homework. Question number 2. Solve the following. Let us take the A part. The teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by a student in a class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So which marks we will assume, all of you? Which marks we will assume, highest or lowest? We will assume lowest marks because they are teacher is what you say explaining highest in terms of lowest only. So we will take, let the lowest marks be X. Then highest marks will be how much? Highest marks will be how much, all of you? She is saying that the highest marks are, but I don't want the value, I want the variable one. Highest marks are obtained by student in a class is twice the lowest plus 7. So twice the lowest, that is twice the lowest, 2x plus 7. And she is also giving you the value of highest score, that is 87. So highest marks is given to you as 87. So you can understand these two are the same thing and we will utilize this to form the equation. Therefore, ATQ we can say 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. This is the equation, and solving this equation is very, very, very easy because we know Ashmit y minus 7 beta plus 7 hai na? They are adding 7 in. So this question 1 and 2 part we have already done. Okay, already done. Now let's solve it. We will have 2x is equal to 87 minus 7. I am missing the steps between them. You can write on your own. Transpose 7 to right hand side. Now we have 2x equal to 80. And finally we can say x is equal to 80 upon 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 40s are 80. So x is equal to 40 is the lowest marks. Yes, Jitesh. Easiest one by Rishi Gupta. Okay. Jitesh Khurana, good beta. Now let us take, I think second part is same. You can try that also. We should try third part. What do you say? Shall we try third part? Yes. Shall we try third part or shall I give you homework? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Third part, let's see. It is also very easy. Only thing we require is little bit of concentration. Okay, let's see. Third part, the language. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees, and so there are some fruit trees in the garden. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. All of you in one voice, which tree we will assume as X, Y, Z, M, N, O, P, Q, R? Yes, all of you. Which tree we will assume? We will assume fruit tree as X, Y, Z, W, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, whatever we want. So let us assume, or not us, we are not playing here now, we are doing for official purpose. So let's assume number of fruit trees is equal to X. Therefore, number of non-fruit trees be how much? All of you. She's saying in Sundagram, the number of non-fruit trees are 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. That is 3 times means 3x plus 2 more. So this is the given to us. Sir, I cannot see anything written on screen. Bani Oberoi. Bani, beta, all are able to see. You can just exit and come again. Okay. I don't know why it happened with you, because all are able to see. While taking the class, don't touch the screen, because sometimes we do a mistake. Okay. Now, yes, it is visible. I know, beta. Thank you. Now, given to us, what are the number of fruit trees planted if non-fruit trees are 77? They are giving us non-fruit is given to us as 77. That means they both are same thing. They both are Hazel saying, sir, I cannot. Oh, but maybe your connection problem is there. Let me see. No one came till now in the waiting room. Okay. So we have 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. And now you can solve it on your own. I rest my case here, Judge Sab. Now I hope you all can clear it on your own. Okay. What is the answer? 75 by 3? Oh my God. I don't think so. Let us see. First of all, we have to see who will go there first. 3 will not go first. 2 will go first. So it will be 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. 3x is equal to 75. X is equal to 75 upon 3. And the answer is 3 1s are 3. Sorry. 3 2s are 6. 1 remainder 5s are. So there are 25 fruit trees. Okay, all of you, we are done. Now, I suppose, let me stop the recording first.